Can you picture this? Like a genie.
Greetings, YouTube. Elaine Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel. Today is indeed Sunday, March 22nd, 2020. And in today's video, we want to bring you our first update on Bumblebee Junction this year. That's right, YouTube. This is the very first update we brought you guys on Bumblebee Junction in the year 2020. And if you recall from our last video update, you recall that Bumblebee Junction used to be located on the north side of our front porch. In that location, it got a fair amount of sunlight, but not as much sunlight that we would have liked for it to have gotten over there in that location. So we thought that this year, in preparation for spring, we would relocate Bumblebee Junction to a much more sunny location in our front yard. I'm going to flip this camera around for you guys right now and show you where Bumblebee Junction used to be located at. And then I'm going to show you guys where Bumblebee Junction is currently located at in our front yard garden extended grow area. Hang tight, YouTube. All right, YouTube, as you recall, last year, this is the location that Bumblebee Junction sat on this end of our front porch. The sun rises to my left in the morning and sets to my right this time of year. Bumblebee Junction really didn't get a whole lot of sunlight right here at in this location in our garden dish last year. So we thought that we would relocate Bumblebee Junction to a much more sunny location in our front yard. I'm going to take you guys around there right now and show you what Bumblebee Junction looks like right here, right now, in its new location in our front yard. Bam! Yes, indeed, YouTube. We relocated Bumblebee Junction to the east side of our front porch. The sun rises behind me, shines directly on this location where Bumblebee Junction is located. Bumblebee Junction gets about 5 hours of direct sunlight here in this location before the sun actually crests the rooftop of our house. And in this location where Bumblebee Junction currently sits at, it'll get about 2.5 to 3 times as much sunlight as it got in its previous location here in our gardens. We want to take this moment to take suggestions from our subscribers. What do you guys suggest that we plant here at Bumblebee Junction here this spring? We haven't currently decided what we wanted to plant here. We thought we'll give you guys the opportunity to take part in what we plant here. Remember, this location gets about 5 hours of direct sunlight here, and then indirect sunlight, and then full shade for the rest of the day. So bear in mind that when you suggest what we should plant here at Bumblebee Junction. But at any rate, YouTube, this is indeed where Bumblebee Junction currently sits at in our front yard garden extended grow area. This is what it looks like. And we're not taking you guys suggestions as to what we should plant at Bumblebee Junction this spring. Thanks for watching, and if you indeed currently are watching this video and you're not currently subscribed to the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Thanks. We really, really, really would appreciate it. Yeah. Bumblebee Junction. Right here at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel. Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. Thanks for watching.